Crafty people, welcome to a design team project for ASC Supplies on Etsy. All the links will be in the description box down below. And this project is a little unusual because I use a very unconventional item to promote on this video because the paper is not from ASC Supplies on Etsy. But I could not have created this journal without the product that I got from ASC Supplies. And here it is, score tape. This stuff is magic and awesome. So you can see, let me cut that piece off. You can see that it's sticky on this side. So you stick it to whatever you want to stick, and you cut it to the size, and then you stick it on, and then you peel this off, and then you can stick it in your book. This stuff is awesome. And look at the different sizes that it comes in. Oops. 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch, and even bigger. Very, very important component in creating these journals, mini albums, scrapbooks, cards. Fantastic stuff. Very reasonably priced. I will link it in the description box down below, along with all the other links to ASC Supplies on Etsy, so you can go over there and do some fun shopping. All right. So you're looking at this adorable little bear. This is a tear bear. Yes, T-E-A-R, bear. Tear bear. And they are created by hand by a wonderful artist that I buy from on eBay. I will try to remember to link her also in the description box down below. If not to her eBay, but to her Facebook, either one or the other. So I did use a paper collection I had picked up some time ago at Tuesday morning called Be Mine by Echo Park. And I do have one whole pack left. It took 2 packs, let's see, 12 by 12 double-sided papers plus a sticker sheet. So basically 24 sets of papers and 2 sticker sheets to create this. But anyway, the adorable bear is on the cover. This is from the, everything's from the paper collection. It says Be Mine with the Eiffel Tower. I put some eyelets. I used a stretchy cord. This is the back, and we tied it with a nice long ribbon so that if you are the kind of person that wants to fill this up and make it super full, you'll still have enough ribbon to tie it closed. All right, let's get in here. This is going to be a long video because there's a lot of stuff going on in here. And what I want to show you right off the bat is that both of these signatures, they are sewn, but they do slide in and out, both of them in and out of the journal. So if it's easier for you to take it out and write in it or do whatever you need to, you can do that. Let me check and see if I'm, there we go. All right. So here we have a flip up and a pull out and another pull out. And I did not dye any of the papers. I wanted this journal to remain really clean looking. Because I know there's people that prefer it this way as opposed to, you know, coffee dyed or so forth. This opens like that. This flips up. And then this opens up. I will tell you, this paper right here is not from the collection. This is the only thing I used that was not from the collection, but it matches so nicely. Little tag. Pretty, pretty royal looking papers. I love these papers so much. I had such a good time. I Nice place to journal there. This opens up like that. There's a tuck spot under here. Love this sticker. And then we've got a little pull out there. Let's see. This opens up and pulls out. This flips open. And there's a pull out here. And then we have this one, tucks in there. This pulls out. I didn't do any booklets. They're all just single fold places for journaling. This journal could last a really, really long time for somebody, because there is so much going on in here, so much room to journal. This could last, you know, somebody 5 years or more, depending on how much you like to journal. So this flips open, this pulls out, this pulls out. So I'm sorry, it's going to take a while to show you everything, but I like to go through everything in case someone's interested in purchasing this. They know exactly what they're getting. And of course, as I just said, this is for sale. I'm going to wait till I get to the end of it to make a decision on how much I'm asking for it. So this pulls out. This flips up. This opens up and tucks back in there. Of course, there's place for journaling there. Okay. This pulls out. All right. So this pulls out. And trying to pull it out again. There's this back behind. There we go. Then we've got the center of the signature and these two spots for you to tuck whatever it is that you want to tuck in there. And then we've got a little sideways pocket over here. Let me make sure I'm still. Yep. Okay. Then we've got this pull out, this flips over. We've got this and the little heart. This slides back in. Love is not wanting to go. Love you, I love you. I loved this page so much, and I loved that it had lines on it. So in love with you. And you know what? This could even be for a woman to journal about her children. This could be for a woman to journal about her husband. This could be for a girl, just, you know, just a young teenage girl who's in love with everything. Pocket there. Be a nice Valentine's gift for someone. This pulls out. So as you can see, just tons and tons of room for journaling, and we are not even halfway through yet. This one I made a little bit of a boo-boo because this is hard to pull out right here, I'll be honest with you, but it will come in and out. Beautiful paper. I adore you. Alright, so this is the last page of our first signature. So that's one signature. Alright, here's our next one. This opens like that. Slides back into this belly band. And we've got with all my scraps, I made these little banners and I used the sticker, part of the sticker collection. This opens like that. This pulls out like this. I love all the polka dots. So many different kinds of polka dots. And then we have so most all of this was adhered with the oh my gosh, I totally lost my train of thought. The score tape. And I put it like this, and then I peeled it off, and then I stuck it on so that there's, it turns it into a pocket. And the nice thing about this is I like I said, I wanted to keep it relatively clean, but another lovely thing you can do with this is use your own stamps on this. Stamp it up the way that you want, not the way that I want. So there's more tuck spots in this one that I didn't make, little foldable journaling spots on, because I figured some of these tuck spots, you would tuck your own items, things that you're saving, things that are special to you. And it was getting really fat. So I had to kind of figure out where I was going to cut back. So we've got that tag, and then it just opens like that, and then we have another journal spot in there. So some places have more journaling spots, and some of them are a little more sparse. And you can move stuff around in here. You don't have to keep it exactly where I have it. So that's just an envelope, another like kind of a hidden tuck spot under there. And this is a tuck spot here. There's that cool page again. And we have that. I actually am getting ready to make myself a journal. I have never been a journaler. Is that a word? A journaler? But I'm getting ready to do it. Some more scraps. This flips up. This pulls out. That's a little bit. Oh, this flips up too. More journaling space. So remember, when you're creating these types of projects, you really, really need that score tape. Trust me on this one, my friends. Okay, there we go. Do we need to go like this? I think so. We're almost to the end here. Got this one. And obviously you can tuck more in these, you know, larger pockets and things. Back here we've got, this flips up, this pulls out, and then this one's got this large place for journaling in the very back. So this journal is available, and I would like $90 shipped. That includes your shipping. It's probably going to cost me about $10 to ship it, so it's about $80. The bear cost me $15. Okay, guys? So, and then I bought the paper, you know, all the time invested. If you're interested in this, all you have to do is email me, and the first person that emails me, and then I will invoice them, and they pay for it, then it's yours. And I hope I got it done in time, you know, for somebody to enjoy this for, you know, the month of February and beyond. Obviously beyond. I mean, look at it. So anyway, head over to ASC Supplies. Check out all the links in the description box down below. Thanks for spending so much time with me. I know this was a long video. And if you hung in till the end, this is next. I promise. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.